If your AirPods are flashing white but still don't appear in the Windows 11 Bluetooth list, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most reliable ways to fix the problem using a real Windows 11 PC and real AirPods. We'll also cover the Windows compatibility improvements released in the June 2026 update, along with the correct pairing process, Bluetooth driver updates, and other fixes that work before resetting your AirPods. Put AirPods into real pairing mode. Let's begin with the most common issue. Many users see the white flashing light but don't actually enter pairing mode correctly. For most AirPods models with a setup button, place both AirPods inside the charging case. Leave the lid open. Now press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light begins flashing white. A flashing white light means the AirPods are ready to pair with a new device. If you're using a newer AirPods model that uses a different pairing gesture, follow Apple's instructions for that specific model. Add the AirPods in Windows 11. Now let's switch to Windows. Open Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. Windows will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Keep your AirPods close to the computer and wait patiently. After installing the June 2026 Windows update, Microsoft improved Bluetooth compatibility so supported AirPods may appear more quickly while they're already in pairing mode. If your AirPods appear, click their name and complete the pairing process. If nothing appears after about a minute, continue with the next step. Disconnect competing devices. AirPods automatically reconnect to devices they've used before. That means your nearby iPhone, iPad, Mac, or even another Android phone may grab the connection before Windows has a chance to discover them. Temporarily turn Bluetooth off on nearby devices that were previously paired with your AirPods. If possible, move those devices farther away for a few minutes, then return to Windows and search for Bluetooth devices again. This simple step solves many pairing problems because it prevents another device from taking priority. Remove old AirPods entries. Sometimes Windows remembers an old pairing that no longer works correctly. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices. Look for any existing AirPods entries. If you see duplicate entries or devices marked as disconnected, remove them. After removing the old entries, switch Bluetooth off for about 10 seconds. Turn Bluetooth back on. Then repeat the Add Device process. Starting with a clean Bluetooth list often allows Windows to detect the AirPods normally. Install Windows and Bluetooth updates. If the AirPods still don't appear, check that your PC is fully updated. Open Settings, then Windows Update, and install all available updates. Also look for optional updates because many Bluetooth adapter drivers are delivered there. If no newer driver appears, open Device Manager and check your Bluetooth adapter. You should also install the latest Bluetooth driver using your laptop or desktop manufacturer's official support application or website. Microsoft recommends keeping Bluetooth drivers updated whenever devices fail to pair or appear during discovery. After updating, restart your computer before testing again. Run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter that can automatically detect common problems. Open the Get Help app. Search for Bluetooth problems and launch the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Follow every recommendation it provides. Once the troubleshooting process finishes, restart Windows. Now place the AirPods back into pairing mode and try adding them again. Many temporary Bluetooth service issues are fixed during this step. Reset AirPods. Only if nothing else works. If you've tried every previous step and the AirPods still won't appear, it's time for a reset. Remember that resetting removes existing pairing information. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechFix guides, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 and Apple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.